What is up, guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Nintendo Switch peripherals onto Arch Linux or any Linux distro. Alright, let's get right into it. So open up a terminal, and now if you have Git, we can git clone https github.com/Daniel Ogarchuk. Oh my god, I can't spell. joycond. Just clone that. Alright. Gonna cd into joycond. Now we need cmake. So we're gonna cmake this directory. Do that, okay. And then we would sudo make install, and then you press enter, and then we would sudo systemctl enable now joycond. But I've already installed all of this, so this basically allows for you to get any peripheral to connect. So you can get single Joy-Con, 2 Joy-Cons, Pro controller, anything. So here I have a Pro controller, and here I have Dolphin. I play Mario Kart Wii with my Nintendo Switch controller. I have my emulated Wii remote here, and as you can see, can have this. You can detect my joystick moving. All the buttons I need. It detects everything for me, and then I can just play Mario Kart with this driver. So you would go to Dolphin here, and you would go to device, and it should come up on fdev here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, and if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe even more. Okay, thank you.